So hello everybody! Yes, opo, welcome back to my channel. This is Sirma and this is your Sirma's Vlog. Recording na pala. So, it's Sunday today, tonight.
Tomorrow.
And it's gonna be a good day. I'm so haggard. I'm so tired because of my one day of salasala. Salaset kung sa English pa. So, as of today, I have something na nag-abot kanina. Highly appreciated kaya siya ako na-abot siya. It's my birthday. No. So for this vlog, before we start with our vlog, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Sirma, S-E-R-M-E Vlogs, and please click the notification bell para mag-updated kayo for more of my videos. So, kung bako pa ka mo ha, I still have more videos down. So please scroll down and enjoy it much. Okay? So sige, sa title po natin yung video natin ngayon. Kasi nga, we will be unboxing. Opo. Sobrang busy ko na po talaga. Wala ibang content kundi puro unboxing na lang talaga. So today, we will unbox one of my parcel na dumating kanina, just this afternoon. Actually, yes. So to deliver today, Luningning, pasok. Ganun. Say lagi. Chak. Bugat kaging no. Ayan. So nanawating po yung parcel namin mula po sa Shopee. Thank you, Shopee.
Salamat,
Yeah.
Shopee.
10,000 pesos.
Feel ko na go bell.
Ganon. Yes. So, ayan.
Nahulog yung hapon.
Parang dilim-dilim. Parang dilim-dilim. Or maybe
This ay payot nila, Meg.
I'm just kidding. Anyway, so we are now with our unboxing. So,
It's fragile.
nakalagay po dito sa ating box, fragile. Kasi nga, fragile means
Fragilist.
sayon. Marupok! Ganun, marupok yun. Kung sa Tagalog pa marupok. So, sige. So, actually, nalaman ko na po yung laman nito. It's a burger griller with fryer that will give us convenience in doing some of our tasks in here in Teriyaki. Kasi nga, I'm just using my pante. Dapan or dayong, what do you call this one? Ano to? Non-sticky pan na galing po sa Taiwan na dinala po na aking sisterette. So, ginagamit namin. But somehow, isang maliit lang po siya. So, hindi po siya makaka-cater ng more 3 or 4 burgers. So, due talaga siya. So, ang amount time na ma-spend is lesser. So, if may mga customers na more, so, mo-wait due siya additional time.
So,
But somehow, this is it, the answer for our problem! Yeah! So,
Okay.
i-unbox na po. Kasama ko po ngayon ang SGB company, Marimar from ABS-CBN.
So this package is from Mr. Mark Lester S. Morales. So everlasting kanan. So he is from San Cristo, Laguna.
Ako na ko overseas.
Yes, branch of Santo Cristo, Laguna, San Pablo City, and South Luzon.
Expressway.
So, let's see kung paano nila dineliver yung aming gamit if wala pa siyang mga because sometimes yung mga defect.
Ano?
Defect.
Okay. So, it says in the scotch tape, fragile. Ayan, maroon po kasi. Kaya po, pinag-iingat-ingatan talaga ng deliverer. Actually, the same delivery
Delivery
boy.
Thank you so much, Mr. GNT.
Yun, same delivery man na na-deliver sa akin last time sa aton nga Sangyup Salset. And today, ayan, unbox na ba yun? Ba? No? sa gunting, agi, kung di mo pa gunting.
Parang may ano siya. Ay, hindi siya masyadong safe compare sa last ng mga parcels. Wala siyang bubble wrap. Bubble wrap daw po. May meron siyang ano, free white. Ayan, so, walang open up. Baliktad yata. Para ako na yan. Ako yan. Kaya di lang mo.
Ayan, if you can see in the box, what's in the box is a burger grill. Oh, griller ba yan?
Burger
Griller with fryer na kasama. Ayan.
pressure cooker.
Actually, safe naman siya, pero compare from the other parcels na dumating last time, na nakabubble wrap talaga yung samgyeopsal set natin. So,
Siya
this one
hindi.
itong time, dito, hindi siya nakabubble wrap, but somehow, safe pa rin
Naka-plastic
naman
wrap.
siya. Iaan mo. Aswatin mo. Aswatin mo. So, sa Tagalog pa, whole. Oh, Tagalog. Kilo. So, ayan, issue ko. Pwede na ito
Ayan po.
Ayan. So, last week I ordered this one. Its cost is
15 million.
Gaga. Mga 14 to. 14 lang. And it's kinda mahal siya compared sa pero sige lang.
Sangyup.
Nagagamit naman natin ito eh.
Double the price, I think.
Double. So thank you so much to GNT.
For delivering,
delivering it
our
safely.
parcel safe and
I'm sure naka-scotch tape talaga yung mga parts na pwede siya malihok-lihok o ma-move. Ayan.
Masama.
Ayan po, naked na po siya.
Kasi na po siyang hubarang.
Hubad. Hubad na katotohanan.
Dito po natin ilalagay yung mga fries.
So, bongga.
May free
Nakasaad dito guys na may free siya. Free. So, free na ni. Pila ni Bads ni?
Free ganun.
Ay, free ka. No, ayan. So, magpaman din siya na samurai.
Hindi na tayo pwede hindi na tayo kailangan bumili pa ng mga bread, bread knife, kasi may free na siya. Thank you so much to Mr. Mark.
Actually, the size of this is 12 by 12. So, maliit na talaga siya. It will cater
Mga 15,000 burgers.
mga 3 burgers go up. Okay na yan. And, meron din tayong ayan. Tcharam!
Meron din tayong hurmahan ng itlog if you want to. If may order ng egg burger.
So, kasama na po siya. I-detail.
Meron din siyang Kempelch.
Daspan? Daspan nga wala ko. Daspan nga wala. So, meeting tayo bakla.
May kasama rin siyang kimpet kasi sinira ni Laymark yung kimpet namin. Uba na, wala pa siya nagamit.
At ito, dito pala yung mga excess na mga mantika.
At ito yung kanilang ginagamit siya, di ba, kung magmasa ka, tapos niya yung bahay, tapos ginagamit siya sa
Masalit
cemento.
yes. And this one is for the what do you call it?
Fries.
French fry. And pwede rin sa mga actually hard siya, very hard.
Very hard.
Yan.
From grand finals talaga. Very hard.
So ganito pala yan.
Diyan siya lang.
And this one.
Okay, it was wrapped by this one.
Hindi ko alam kung ano ang tawag dito. Wrap.
Basta naka-wrap siya.
Plastic wrap.
Ito. Harap siya nito. Super wrap.
Baka mo ba? Kung sa ako kami ni guys unboxing, sa ako man siya get to know each other. Okay! So far, our product is very good. The delivery man is very good also.
Thank you so much,
Very good
Mr.
also.
GNT.
Actually, siya premium na siya.
Bakit may mga bolts? Ano naman ba itong pakulo ng mga bolts?
Baka dito.
Ayan, sa sulo. Ay, lalagay pa pala siya sa gasol.
Ano naman yung kurin ko. Gasol mo gano'n siya. So baka no color sa gasol.
So it will never be used. It will not be used for this moment kasi wala po kaming gasol. Uling lang po yung gamit namin. Wala po kaming
Ano
gasol.
ba yan?
Pwede mo rin siya maging mirror if you want.
Yeah, so, ayan, we have locked in all the bolts for our burger fryer, burger griller with French fries fryer in a size of
Guys, ang
12 by
bigat
12.
niya. Feel ko mga 5 kilo.
So these are the accessories. These are the accessories.
5 kilo.
Ito mga bolt niya isa. Kasama na burger fry natin guys. So, meron siyang hulmahan ng itlog for the egg burger. And meron din siyang excess kan mantika. Nalagay yun, ang excess mantika.
Or is this oil?
This is for kimpet.
Okay.
And this is for the burger as a French fries fryer.
French fry.
Ayan, so we will not be having more difficulties in serving maraming burger. Hindi po tayo magkakasala-sala kasi nga minsan
Hindi ko kasala-sala.
sala-sala. All in all, the product was good. We received it in a earlier time.
We received it.
Earlier from our expected date. But somehow, madali po talaga kasi busy-busy.
Hindi ako marunong.
Oh my God. So, thank you Shopee and thank you to our supplier, Mr.
Mark.
Mr. Mark.
Ano yung pangalan niya? Ay.
Mark.
Mark Tan. Mr. Mark Lester Morales. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for your freebies. May freebies po tayo. Ayan.
Kung gusto niya po mag-order, visit niyo lang po yung shop niya sa Shopee.
Yes, available po siya sa Shopee, guys. Available siya sa Shopee. Ayan. So, all in all, hindi po tayo na-scam. This is legit, authentic, unlike Lazada, Shopee. I have more products than I received na it's legit. So, it's better late than never. Ganun. Sige na. So, we will be ending this video with a saying that says, thank you, Shopee.
So ayan, try po natin kung gumagana ba siya kahit walang gasol. So, what do you order, ma'am? Namin, sa lupa. Bago mo, sabi Ana, may dami siyang product eh, wala na iya. Angel? Ako si Angel. Ayan, ganyan.
So yes guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe on YouTube channel, sir, my SERMU vlogs, and don't forget to click the notification bell for more videos. So support me all the way. I will be having more videos in the coming days. So, busy po tayo ngayon kasi maraming modules, but I will give my full effort to serve and to give you the best that I can. Oh, perfect in English, you guys! Anyway, so, shout out to my UNB friends and vloggers na nagkatuloy last Wednesday and they enjoyed a lot. And thank you so much for visiting Tiriati also. So if you are also a viewer of this video and you want to enjoy the serenity of the beautiful place in Crossing Kawayan, you and I
Will never say goodbye.
I suggest you to visit here in my simple but
Elegant.
Wonderful.
Char! Basta ganun. Visit Tiriati and enjoy the sumptuous foods that I will offer to you. Ching lang! Ching mo! Anyway, ayan. More. Thank you so much for my subscribers and continue to be a blessing to me and to everybody. Okay na? Tama na ang chika. Ang dami kong chika. See you soon! This is Sir Mel and this is your
Sir Mouse Vlog.
Bye-bye!
Music keeps